Run, 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 run!
Alright, and the time has finally come at Botanical World Adventures, Zip Aisle, Zipline Adventures. We are going ziplining. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous. Never done it before. Not sure how it's gonna feel, how high up it is. So, go ahead and try it with me. There's supposed to be some really cool things along the way. I'm gonna try to enjoy it. First one I'm flying. Man, or a bird. Is that Amanda? Oh, Amanda's first ride! Woohoo! Amanda, how was your first ride ziplining?
Left us speechless.
Smile, you're on camera. This is Russell. And here comes Russell.
Yeah, this I don't like this. It turns you around right there. Nice.
And Russell, this was your first zipline too, right?
Yeah.
How was it?
That was good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Couldn't spin myself back around.
So, while we're waiting for the rest of our group to come over the zip line, we're going to look at some sleeping grass. Close up when you touch it. So how do I try to go straight? I can turn it this way if I want to flip that way.
Yeah, turn left to go right, right to go left.
Okay.
So how do you turn it?
So the instructor was just explaining to me, take the front strap, see a little triangle, metal triangle at the top, you turn left to go right, you turn right to go left. Easier said than done.
Yeah, I like the shaka.
Alright.
You were brave enough to take your other hand off.
Moving on up in the world.
How was it?
Yeah.
Good?
Good.
So this is the line I just went across, but I think we're about to go down there and go across that cool looking bridge.
Really shook in the middle there, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, keep your feet up on the ground. You want to touch your chest?
You got some good poses there, Deanna. That was cute. As we're waiting for everyone else to go across the zip line, it's fun looking at like the vegetation around here. Look at that. The next one is called Moanakai because it has a nice ocean view at the end.
There's Amanda. She's gonna run, take off, and jump. Run, 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 run!
Are you Superman? Is that what that was? Alright, we made it to the end of Moanakai, which means we get to see this. Wow! Oh, you gotta break off the tip? This is an African tulip. You break off the tips like that, you can water squirts out or something. I wonder what it smells like. Doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah, it's not the best smell. Alright, we're about to go on Kamakani. This is going to be the longest one we've done so far at 450 feet. There goes my cousin. Woo! Woo! Now it's my turn. Oops, that one. Nope, that's okay. Another thing I should know by now.
Go ahead, whenever you're ready.
Alright, we're gonna race. She's getting ready to lose. Loser! Should I be able to see some right now?
Hey guys, Future Panda again here. The audio got messed up, so I'm just going to let you know what I'm talking about. They're actually having us get back into the van and drive up to the 8th and final zip line, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. I think it's supposed to be a beautiful waterfall, so let's find out.
Alright, we've arrived at our grand finale. Epic zip line. So we're gonna go right towards the ocean right there. I'm so excited. As usual. Oh my god. That is so epically amazing. I can't believe we're gonna go down there. I could barely see the other side of it.
Pretty impressive, huh?
That is very impressive. Dang. So that's about a half a mile down to the other side.
Hey guys, it's Future Panda here again. I just wanted to update you on how I was doing. After the second zip line, I was all about it. This was awesome. The crew was phenomenal. I was having a blast, and by the time we got to this finale here, I was so pumped.
I'm going to do my best to get the waterfall. Ooh, so close.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go!
Woo! I want to do it again. That was so amazing. Again. Yeah. And we're done. We did it. Woo! Yeah. Very exciting.